Hey everyone, welcome back to Crazy Tech Tricks. In this video I will show you how to download Snipping Tool on Windows 11 if your Snipping Tool is missing from your PC or you accidentally uninstall it. So let's get started. Firstly go to Start menu. Here you will search for Microsoft Store. Then open Microsoft Store. Now inside Microsoft Store click on the search bar at the top and search for Snipping Tool. You will see the official Snipping Tool app from Microsoft Corporation. Here it is, Snipping Tool, Microsoft Corporation. Install the app. Now click on Get to install the app. Wait a few seconds while download and install the Snipping Tool automatically. The download speed depends on your internet connection. So once installed, click open to open the Snipping Tool. Now you will see you can press Window plus Shift plus S to start snip, or even you can open Snipping Tool by Start menu. Go to Start menu. Here you will search for Snipping Tool. You will see open, take new screenshot, or right click on it to pin to taskbar. Here you will see Snipping Tool is in taskbar, and that's it. This is how to download and install Snipping Tool on Windows 11. If this video helped you, make sure to like, share and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.